Hi everyone, my name is Lana, welcome to Fancy Crochet channel. On this channel I share crochet and knitting tutorials, my original patterns and creative ideas for makers like me. I often take inspiration from my life, travels, nature and also from fantasy books, movies and TV shows. You can see more of my cosplay work like anime and Marvel costumes on my Instagram. When I get an idea I usually look for reference images on Pinterest, anything that fits my vision or sparks my imagination. Recently, I found myself inspired by something unexpected: sunglasses. I never used to care much about them and just wore whatever felt okay. But about a month ago, I finally found a shape I really love. And let's just say, now I have a few pairs. That's what gave me the idea for today's project: a simple, universal crochet case to keep your glasses safe and scratch-free in your bag. I will be using leftover cotton yarn for this. You can use around 50 grams of one color or mix and match what you already have. I'm using a 4.5 mm crochet hook. Form the first loop and chain 11. Go into the back half of the chain with single crochet. Continue single crocheting until the end of the row. In the last stitch, make 3 single crochets. Turn your work so you will start crocheting around. Continue in the second half of the chain with single crochets. In the last stitch, crochet 3 stitches into one. So now we have made the base and it's time to move on to the lace pattern. Go into the very first stitch with a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 3, yarn over, and make double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, yarn over, double crochet into the third stitch. chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat. Skip 2 stitches, yarn over, double crochet into the third stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch. Work like this around. At the end of the row, join with a slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 3. The next row is a single crochet row. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch. Then go into the big space from the previous row. Make 2 single crochets into the double crochets and 1 single crochet into the chain space. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row. Here I'm going to join another thread color. If you're using one color, just continue. For multicolored cases, change color while you still have 2 loops on your hook. Finish the stitch with the new thread. Carry the thread tails along inside the next few stitches. Join the row with a slip stitch. Now I will repeat the lace row. Chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, yarn over, double crochet into the 3rd stitch, chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat to the end of the row. To repeat the lace pattern again after this row, go into the big stitch. Chain 3 from there, double crochet into the same space, and continue the lace pattern. Double crochet, chain, double crochet into each chain space around. That's it. You can repeat the lace pattern as often as you want and add as many single crochet rows between them as you like. When you reach the desired length, finish with a row of single crochets. Then we will make a reverse single crochet row, also known as the crab stitch. Chain 1 and go backward into the previous stitch, making single crochets in reverse to create a textured edge. At the end, cut the yarn and hide the tail. To make the cord, form a loop, chain 2, and go into the first chain. Chain 1, and pull through both loops on your hook. Now go into the side of the last stitch. Chain 1 and pull through both loops. Repeat this by always working into the side loop of the previous stitch. Chain 1, pull through 2 loops until the cord reaches your desired length. Cut and secure the yarn. Then weave the cord through the lace row. I use this case for all my sunglasses and I love how practical and cute it is. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I would love it if you tag me on Instagram when you share your beautiful crochet pieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really motivates me to keep creating new content. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video. Bye!